morning, students. Welcome back in class 2 of moral science. Yesterday you had learned the meaning of being kind to animals along with its positive as well as negative aspects with the help of different pictures. And today we will read in detail about this value from our textbook. Now students, take out your life skill books and open it at page 40. Before we start to read, first I will give you a big picture of topics to be discussed in this lesson. That is, number 1, meaning of the value. 2, where is it required? 3, advantages of following this value. 4, disadvantages of not following this value. 5, we will discuss a story given in the book, and at the end I will discuss some situations based on this value. Now students, next is objective. My objective to discuss this value is to teach you to be kind to animals. That is, we should take care of animals by providing them good food and water on time. Now, let's start reading. Keep finger on the book. Lesson 7. Be kind to animals. As we have discussed this earlier, being kind to animals means that we should love and take care of animals. We should give them food and water on time, and we should never hurt them. Now next is, why do we need to be kind to animals? We need to be kind to animals because, being humans, we can understand the feelings of others very well, and we can help the one in need. On the other hand, animals, they can't speak or get food on their own, but they feel our love, our care, our kindness. If we will give them good food and clean water, and if we will take care of them, they will never forget our kindness and will become our best friends. Now take the example of dogs. They are the most faithful and loyal friends of men. So students, we must be very kind to animals. Now let's read lesson 7. Be kind to animals. Ravi loves animals very much. He never hurts animals. Underline here the word hurts. It means harm. Harm, harm. He gives his pet dog good food and clean water. He takes his pet to a vet. Underline the word vet. Vet means a doctor who treats animals. Write a doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor, who, W-H-O, who treats, T-R-E-A-T-S, treats animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. He takes his pet to a vet whenever it feels sick. Underline here the word sick. It means unwell. U-N-W-E-L-L, unwell. Think and write. Ravi is kind to animals. Now students, we have just read about Ravi in the above lines, that he loves animals, he never hurts them, he takes care of his pet dog by giving him food and water on proper time. Even he takes his dog to doctor whenever it is not well. Next read. Do you also love animals? Write yes or no for each of the following. Number 1. Do you love animals? 2. Do you burn crackers near animals? 3. Have you ever helped any animal? 4. Have you ever hurt an animal? Last one is, do you give dirty water to animals? Underline here the word dirty. It means unclean. UNCLEAN, unclean. Now students, write down yes or no in the given space. Now students, always remember, you should never burn crackers near animals as they are scared of fire and loud noise. Animals like dogs, cats, birds, cows, all these are very helpful to us. So we should take care of them. We should never give them dirty water or food to eat. Hence, you should be kind to animals. Now next is extend. God has made animals. He loves them. We are His children, so we must love them too. Since animals cannot speak, they cannot tell us what they feel. But they feel happy, get scared, and angry, just like we do. Underline here the word scared. It means afraid. AFRAID, afraid. So, we should be extra kind to them. Now students, we have just read that God has made animals and He loves them a lot. Same way, we should also love animals, as animals cannot speak and tell us what they feel. So, we should be extra kind to them. Next is, animals help us in many ways. The cow and the goat give us milk. Elephant, horse, camel and donkey carry heavy loads. Guard dogs look after our homes. Underline here the word guard. It means protect. PROTECT, protect. Guide dogs help blind people. Underline here the word guide. It means lead the way. LEAD, lead, the way, WAY, way. Therefore, we should help animals too. Now, in this para, we have read that animals are very useful to us as they help us in many ways. For example, animals like cows and goats, they give us milk. Elephants, horses, etc., they carry heavy loads for us. And dogs, they guard our houses as well as they help blind people by showing them the way. Next read, we can learn many good things from animals. Animals are our true friends. They never forget a friend. When they are hungry or ill, they never complain. Underline here the word complain. It means protest. PROTEST, protest. In Hindi it means shikayat karna. Animals are easily pleased. Underline here the word pleased. It means happy. HAPPY, happy. Even if you give a loaf of bread to a dog, it will wag its tail. Underline here the word wag. It means shake. SHAKE, shake. Animals never forget kindness. Underline here the word kindness. It means friendly behavior. Friendly, friendly behavior. Behavior, behavior. Students, here we have just read that we can learn many things from animals, like how to be a good friend. Number 2, never forget kindness of others. Number 3, never complain over small things. And last, number 4, always be happy with what you have. Now students, next we are going to discuss some advantages of being kind to animals. Number 1, you will be praised by all for being kind to animals. Number 2, everyone will love you. Number 3, everyone will like you. Number 4, you will become a role model for others. Number 5, your parents will feel proud of you. Number 6, God will bless you. Now students, if you are not kind to animals, then you will have to face some disadvantages, like number 1, many people will not like you. Number 2, they will not praise you. Number 3, you may be scolded by your parents. And last, number 4, God will not like you. Now students, you need to be kind to animals, and you can do this in many different ways. For example, number 1, by taking care of them. Number 2, by loving them. Number 3, by giving them food and water on time. And at last, number 4, by taking them to a doctor for regular checkup. Now students, your homework is to watch this video again and understand the importance of being kind to animals. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you kids. Bye-bye.